Hello, friends, this is Amishi Honavar, and a very big welcome to you. And definitely, there is no such particular time for one thing in life, and what that is I'm going to talk about it shortly. So, whatever I'm going to say today, it is going to be very crucial, important, and related to each and every person's life. So, listen to this video carefully. If you like my video, please press the like button. If you would comment, I will understand that what is your feedback and whether you like my video or not. And kindly subscribe if you haven't done so, and share the videos and my links with your friends and relatives so that they shall subscribe too. And please support me. So, what I'm going to talk to you today is about prayers, right? So, prayer is a communication with God. In the absence of a belief in a personal deity, prayer can be in the form of meditation or a connection with one's higher or divine self. As such, it is unavoidably personal and therefore important. The degree of its importance depends on its significance to the individual. To me, it is very significant, therefore, very important, because the only way anyone can live an experience is personally, not indirectly but directly. Therefore, my most personal contemplation, conversation, communication would be through prayer. In prayer, I am never misunderstood, misinterpreted, nor misjudged. In prayer, I have no pretense because I am known completely, and therefore I am candid and honest in the most intimate sense. Prayer can be an invocation or supplication, an appeal to a personal and benevolent entity for guidance or assistance. It can be the most sincere entreaty of that which is most real of us to that which makes it matter. Prayer, on its deepest level, can be the earnest, devout, and most heartfelt union of the outer and the inner, of all that is, and the attempt to be aware of it. So, friends, I'm sure by this, whatever I told, if you go through every word, you will understand that what prayer is and what it means, right? Now, let me tell you that there are some beautiful things that I would like to share with you. For prayer is nothing else than being on terms of friendship with God. So once we pray, we form a relationship with God. He could be our father, he could be our friend, whatever relation we see in him. Faith and prayer are the vitamins of the soul. Man cannot live in health without them. Another thing I would like to share is that in my deepest, darkest moments, what really got me through was a prayer. So friends, pray continuously. Pray with your inner being, with your inner soul. Pray with lots of faith and see miracles happen. I guarantee you that it will work. But pray fervently and definitely spread the word around, because once you do this prayer, in whatever form, in whatever way, if you communicate with your inner being and you connect with God, then 100% it will work, and you will see that, it helps. It really helps a lot. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep praying, always be positive and have a smile on your face, and I'm sure this will help you in your entire life, because there is no age limit for prayers. You could be a child, you could be a teenager, an adult, or an old person, right? So thank you very much and have a lovely day. This is Amishi Honavar and I'm signing off. Goodbye.